In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group chat in Slack. Creating a group chat in Slack is a fantastic way to keep your team connected and facilitate quick and efficient communication. Whether you're working on a project or just want to gather some team members for a casual chat, Slack makes it easy to set up a group conversation. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open the Slack application on your computer or mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into the workspace where you want to create the group chat. If you're already working within a particular project or team chat, this process will be similar, but it's always helpful to start from your main dashboard to keep things clear and organized. Once you're in Slack, look for the sidebar on the left side of your screen. This area is your hub for all conversations. Whether they're direct messages, group chats, or channels, you'll want to locate the small plus icon next to the direct messages section. Clicking on this plus icon will allow you to initiate a new message, and from here, you'll start setting up your group chat. After clicking the plus icon, a pop-up window will appear, allowing you to select the people you want to add to your group chat. You can type in the names of the people you wish to include. Slack will provide you with suggestions based on the names as you type, making it incredibly easy to find your colleagues quickly. Remember, this group chat can include anyone in your Slack workspace, so think about who needs to be involved in the conversation you're setting up. Once you've selected all the people you'd like to include, go ahead and click the Go or Create Group button. Slack will create a new chat for you and the selected participants. The key here is ensuring that you've chosen the right people for the right conversation. Feel free to double-check your selections before creating the chat if needed. Your new group chat will now appear under the Direct Messages section. Click on it to enter the conversation. At this point, you're ready to start chatting with your team. You can send messages, share files, and even make voice or video calls, depending on what your discussion requires. And just like that, you've successfully created a group chat in Slack. It's a straightforward process, but it makes a tremendous difference in how you communicate and collaborate with your team. Now, go ahead and give it a try. You're on your way to more dynamic and organized discussions within your workspace. Happy chatting!